Mutongeria wa Uhuru Kenyatta nethirite ndia KARIRIA mantu ya GWITIA kwa maguri ya MUTU na siasa cha KITHURANO ontoborethirite kiringanitha kibili bia KARIRIA nyomba chendeto irware muthanya kumagaruni ya RAIS muchinamiro ya Nairobi nyuma ya gikaro nenethi bia MUTU Uhuru augite ati NIUNTU bakumakania kona KAGITA konde ka KITHURANO kinene kikinyanende maguri ya MUTU nekethera kita kia RAIS akiari na mineti ya siasa barakwitha KUUGA nibo gutumira GWITIA kwa MUTU kwiringira ndebe KUUGA ni umona kutekela Kenya baranende bakudaba ekulukaira dine kaitene kana rankuru kethirite etumaira kia mitaratara mwanya ya kuthiria dine na KUUGA ati MUTU NKIMA kilo yelene ndio kethira ukenda kwa CIRINGI yana rimwe NDUKENE kwambirie ruari.
The mantra of my administration is that in the fog of a crisis, it is always our view to view the crisis not just as a danger, but to look for the opportunity that exists within that crisis.
Kumania na ngarama ya uturo iraithirite nindi kioneka kongeleka urantuko ikwithirigwita mutongeri wa mugongo Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta nethirite akirita rwaria ro kintu kwe rwari kendo tira nindi mathina ya kwithira ya Kenya na mukenya na kuniyirwa ingarame.
Stimulus package lowered various tax regimes, lowered the central bank rate CBR to 7.25 from 8.25 so as to prompt commercial banks to lower interest rates applicable to their borrowers and thereby availing the much needed affordable credit to micro, small and medium-sized enterprises across our country.
Kiaria regarone ya RAIS arochemanitie na biachara nithi bya MUTU nethirite nende atumira kikinya maguri ya MUTU kwethira kina makuma nkuru kia CIRINGI mana ili arakilo ile cha MUTU nende kethira ikiura wa na CIRINGI ana rimwe.
The price of unga has, as per previous, shot up again. It has moved from a price of about 100 Kenya shillings to 205 Kenya shillings currently.
Manto yege witia kwa mauta ni onto bonge thirite akiweta urapo kwitha kinyabu kiringanitha kwa na thine.
Because a responsible government cannot legislate a culture of corporate responsibility, and neither can we police the social ethics of corporate citizens. I do request all of them to see their role as a partnership.
Uhuru na yukiti kanyaka kinya Kwariria manto yegie siasa kukumira kire manto ya ngarama ya uturo arauwete ngarame ithaira nindi kioneka witia kaingi ratu ikaitene ka siasa ontobora kwa kinya siasa ibatumaira kanyaka ukwiringira ndebe.
Indeed, every election in our country has attracted an unga crisis. And in fact, at times it seems to be engineered, a connection between unga and its high price and elections. There is an obvious trend between the manner the price of unga goes up and the tempo taken up during elections.